Welcome to week 6's video assignment. Some of you have wondered where I got my recorder and why mine looks different than yours. Mainly it's because I got it from a music store and I got it only about 6 years ago because that's when I started learning how to play recorder. I did not get to learn how to play the recorder until I started teaching recorder. So I think you guys are pretty blessed to be able to play a recorder in 3rd or 4th grade, which is so cool. And I enjoy teaching you guys it as well. So that's the story behind my recorder. It's from Minnesota in the music store. You might have a different story for your recorder if yours looks different than mine. One of the things we're going to review once again is always our notes. We know D, E, G on the 2nd line, A on the 2nd space, B on the 3rd line, and then C is our newest note, C on the 3rd space. So we have also our tone song that we started last week in week 5. In our week 6 video, let's do some more with our tone. So last week we went through how these were half notes. And when we breathe into our recorder and play this song, we really want to have a gentle breath going in. So before I begin, I'm going to make sure I have my E covered, and then I can get to my D really easy. Let's play this together, our tone warm-up. 1, 2, ready, play. If you need to, repeat this video and do that again to get your nice tone. In this song that we have for this week, it's called Sanctus, and that's a kind of a church word meaning usually holy. And so this song is kind of neat. One thing that we'll see is we won't see any whole notes anywhere in this song. The reason being is right up here there's a 3. That means there can only be 3 beats in a measure before that new line happens. So the longest note that we'll see is half notes, quarter notes, and then we have a dotted half note in this song. So in this case, it goes through the whole measure, a dotted half note being 3 beats. At the very bottom, we have this little line here, and that means we're going to tie over these 2 notes, and we're going to play G and keep it going here. So we're actually going to play that last G for 6 beats because we have 3 beats here and 3 beats here. So when we play that G, we'll play it for 6 beats. Because I'm going to have one hand free, just for now, I'm going to go ahead and count this out. So I'm going to play that G. 1, 2, 3. And that's it. Now during the actual song, I'm not going to raise that hand because even though we don't have any E's or D's in this song, we have to keep our hand ready just in case we were going to play those. Just like if I was a flute player, I'm not going to play my flute without my right hand. So the same way here, we have our front flute, our recorder, and we keep our hands ready. So we have B, A, B, A, B, C. So we are going to get that B to a C. So that might be a little bit tricky at first, but that's why we practice. And you can do it with me on the video, repeat this video, or repeat the song by yourself. So we are going to play some B's, we'll have some A's, C's, we have some G's. So as always, you can go ahead and write in your note names as we go in your own paper and get those rhythms and the notes in your mind. So I'm going to go ahead and play through this song. Instead of saying 1, 2, ready, play, I'll just say 1, ready, play, and then we begin, since we only have 3 beats in each measure. So here we go with Song Sanctus. 1, ready, play. When you get to, I found it a little bit difficult going from that G to C to B. So if I'm practicing at home, I'm probably going to do those measures over and over again. Going from G, C, B, A. Going to those notes. So if you ever have a tricky spot, go ahead and practice it again. So number 25 is due for Friday for our next music class and our Mad Minutes. See you in music class.